opening of the Woodbury County Law Enforcement Center came at a cost, and not just in dollars and cents. There's also the loss of public transportation options to and from that new building. KTIV's Katie Koppel continues the transportation conversation to find out what can be done.
Located in the heart of downtown Sioux City, getting access to public transportation from the former law enforcement center was easy. The bus terminal for local buses and for those out of town is just a few blocks away. But now, getting access to public transportation isn't so easy. The new Woodbury County Law Enforcement Center is located on 28th Street, and the closest bus stop is several miles down the road at the Walmart on Floyd Boulevard. This lack of access to city transportation from the new Woodbury County Law Enforcement Center is an issue for city officials and residents alike.
It is a concern for us that we have some type of transportation back down towards the MLK Center, just for all of the things that we've talked about.
Woodbury County Sheriff Chad Sheehan is excited that the new Woodbury County Law Enforcement Center is finally finished and his team has moved in. But one issue persists, a lack of public transportation, not only for those released from jail, but for anyone who needs access to the facility.
There is a need for public transportation for jurors, people who are coming for court, maybe they're a witness. So all that kind of goes into that. It's not just the inmate equation.
Conversations surrounding how and when a bus line could be added to include a stop at the LEC have been ongoing for months. Logistics kept that addition from happening before the facility's opening in September.
We've looked at different programs. We checked with Siouxland Regional Transit System, CERTS, but they had some regulations that didn't fit in with what we needed.
He says estimates are fairly low for those who need that access. And Moore says it would cost an estimated $100,000 in taxpayer funding to add 2 stops each day to the LEC. He says they are looking at other options outside of the bus line.
We also looked at the voucher system, which I really liked because I'm thinking if you don't have that many riders, it might be a low-cost situation.
Down the street from the law enforcement center is the Lake Forest Mobile Home Community. Residents here say they would like to see public transportation at the LEC. 28th Street does not have sidewalk access, and with winter in full swing, the weather is also a concern.
And I understand not having a sheriff's deputy or a police officer available to take released inmates downtown or whatever, but they deserve something. Like, it's not fair to them either. And like I said, yes, they're inmates, they did something wrong, but they are still human beings.
Moore says the conversation over transportation options continues, but it's going to be some time before they find a solution that works for everyone.
I think we have a responsibility to provide transportation for our citizens and for those that visit Sioux City. We do it all over the city, but I think we're trying to be efficient and wise with our dollars and with the taxpayer money.
In Sioux City, Katie Koppel, KTIV News 4.
Moore told KTIV the number of people who may need rides from the new law enforcement center to downtown Sioux City appears to be low. If you'd like to weigh in on this issue or others, you can always attend public comment sessions at weekly city council meetings on Monday nights or Board of Supervisors meetings on Tuesday nights.